So my name's Pratel, and I'm literally at Samuel Leeds HMO and SA crash course. I'm having the most amazing time. This is my second one, so I've been on his first one a couple of months ago on BR, and it's a buzzing environment, such a positive, everyone just uplifts everyone, so I'm having a good time, really.
Amazing. And what's it like seeing Samuel on the stage?
Oh my God, he's a powerhouse. Oh my God, I still have yet to get a selfie with him. I've been probably tagging the hell out of him on my Instagram, and he's such an inspirational individual. I mean, I come from a very, very good, a very different career background. I'm actually got a business in beauty, and I came to a £1 crash course because my partner, he's in property, brought me into a £1 crash course, and he made me run to the back of the room as a beauty expert, and I love my job, to sign up to his courses. So it shows a lot that he doesn't just do it for the money, but to inspire and add value to other people. And I don't think there's many people like that are around. So he's phenomenal. I've yet to have a conversation with him. I'm going to grab him at one point. So yeah, it's been amazing.
That's an incredible answer. So, final question. To anyone who's thinking about getting into property, maybe they're thinking about coming to an event, what would you say to them?
I would say do it, because I doubted it when my partner first bought me. But do it, because I think sometimes you feel like you want to just do what you know, but I think coming outside your comfort zone, you'd be amazed to know what you can actually do for yourself. Because we've just secured our first essay in the last month, and I never thought I would actually be saying this right now, so you never know what you can do.